Hi everyone, my name is Cik Muhammad Bukhari bin Cik Murazali. You can call me Corey. I am licensed financial planner from Wealthvantage Advisory, and for your information, I just new in Wealthvantage and I'm from Terengganu. Apa yang menyebabkan saya dapat award ni adalah first kali adalah mindset yang pertama. Yang keduanya, saya ada sistem saya sendirilah, which is sistem saya ada buat listing daripada klien, daripada prospek dan daripada circle. For your information, my clients in Wealthvantage Advisory is not all from my Takaful clients, but from the potential client from the previous business, which is Takaful. The last one is I have a marketing punya strategies lah. I focus more on the Facebook, Telegram, LinkedIn, and most of them I like to focus on the stories features lah, so that I can know who will see my story and who will repeatedly see my activities in the stories. So they are all my potential client. My strategies is just like what I said just now. I need to always keep my mindset positive. I need to fulfill my mindset with the positive input. That's the number one if you want to success as a financial planner. If you want to be positive, you need to read books, you need to watch YouTubes which regard on from your career lah. And the second one is the system. I have my own listing, so I need to fulfill I need to always make sure all the prospects things list fulfilled. And the last one is the marketing strategies. I need to always visible in the media social. And currently, I want to develop my website. For the mid-term and long-term, I want to have a own YouTube channel and etc. lah. Mungkin maybe podcast. Maybe I need to engage SBM lah. So from the start, the clients have some wish, have some request ataupun goals lah. So he asked firm to plan accordingly with the strategies and etc. lah, to make sure that their goals are achievable. So if the client wins, I also wins. The client happiness is my KPI. That's from my bottom up. The second one is win-win together, win-win situation between me as a financial planner and also Wealthvantage as a firm. Actually, like today, I feel honored because the firm appreciate me as a qualifier of the achievement. So because I am one of the contributor for this year, so the firm appreciating me, give me menu that memang saya jarang makan lah, Wagyu. So saya boleh order Wagyu tu. So I feel that appreciated lah. Benda ni saya tak dapat daripada industri sebelum. Okay, terima kasih Wealthvantage untuk dinner yang sangat amazing ni. InsyaAllah di antara advisor kita pun kena win-win together, support each other to achieve that what you want lah. Alright.